and welcome. You're watching Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. On 16th July, Salesian Cardinal Cristobal Lopez Romero, Archbishop of Rabat, celebrated Sunday Mass at the Don Bosco Marian City, specifically in the chapel of Our Lady of the Rosary, still under construction. The celebration was attended by the local faithful and various members of the Salesian family who had come for the occasion. The Cardinal had arrived in the city of Lubumbashi on the previous 14th of July and was welcomed by Father Guillermo Bassanes, Superior of the Salesian Province of Central Africa, AFC, Father Gothia Shibangu, AFC EST Provincial Delegate, Bishop Gaston Ruvezi, SDB, Bishop of Sakania Kipushi, a delegation of young people from the Salesian Youth Movement, and all the representatives of the Salesian family. There are two main reasons for the Salesian Cardinal's visit to the country: to preach the two large annual retreats of the Salesian in AFC province from 16 to 22nd of July and from the 23rd to 29th of July in Kansebula, and the ordinations to diaconate and priesthood of several Salesians. In addition to these two major events, the program includes a meeting between Cardinal Cristobal Lopez Romero and local church personalities such as Archbishop Fulgence Muteba, Metropolitan Archbishop of Lubumbashi, and Bishop Ruvezi, as well as a gathering with the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians who work in the southern part of the country. 6 Salesians belonging to the province of Portugal POR and the vice provinces of Angola ANG and Timor-Leste TLS made their perpetual profession on Saturday 8th July in the Church of Mary Help of Christians. The main celebrant was Father Jose Anibal Mendonca, current POR provincial, and other concelebrants were Father Tarcisio Morias, newly appointed POR provincial, Father Martin Lazarte Topolansky, ANG Superior, recently appointed as the new bishop of the Diocese of Luena, Angola, and some other Salesian priests. A formation meeting called Pre-Sao has taken place at the Salesian St. John Bosco Oratory in Elk from 8 to 15th of July as part of the third week of the summer in the city summer camp, summarizing the year of preparation of young candidates for Salesian leadership. Candidates for leadership from all over the region took part in the event. The meeting was organized by the Youth Ministry Sector of Warsaw FMA Province PLJ and the Warsaw SDB Province PLE. The formation was led by Sister Marzena Lata, FMA, Sister Dorota Polniak, FMA, Maciek Kendrowski, SDB, and Andres Sulsa, SDB, with supervision by Simon Mastelers, SDB. The formation was divided into two parts, practical and reflective. The pre-Sao participants joined the groups in the day camps and served as assistant leaders every day from early morning until early afternoon. Most of them were serving in the Elk Oratory for the first time, so they had to demonstrate openness and the ability to collaborate with the leaders from other towns. And the young people took care of the children not only during games but also on outings. The second part of the formation involved group work, discussing with each other on the day of the camp. Then Mass was celebrated and the participants spent the evenings getting together and meditating on the Word of God. The heads of Salesian schools belonging to the Salesian Civil Education Association in Venezuela held a fraternal meeting at the end of June 2023 at the Villa Don Bosco Retreat House in La Macarena at Los Tiques in the state of Miranda, aimed at analyzing and evaluating the work carried out by Salesian student organizations OES during the 2022-23 school year. The analysis of what happened in the last school year will allow leaders to build the organizational structure and OES work plan for the next school year. The meeting was attended by directors, pastoral coordinators, and other members of Education Center leadership teams, as well as the representatives of the OES from 11 and 13 institutes and education centers in St. Luke's Province, Venezuela, VEN. The event began with the presentation of experiences of the various OES, during which they illustrated how each of them was formed, what their activities are, and how they carry them out, as well as who it is that carry them out and to whom they are addressed. Thanks to this first dynamic, it was possible to obtain an initial perspective of the characteristics of the OES in Venezuela, called upon to carry out various pedagogical, pastoral, cultural and sporting activities following the Salesian charism and addressed to the entire educational community. The National Migrants Workshop, organized by the YAR Forum SPCI, Salesian Provincial Conference of India, Delhi, was held on July 11th and 12th in Kolkata. The workshop focused on the theme, Decent Work and Living Conditions for the Internal Migrants in India. 40 delegates from 21 migrant desks in India provinces with migrant desk Salesians, staff and volunteers participated in the workshop. Father Poria Joseph, Salesian Provincial of Kolkata, inaugurated the National Migrant Workshop. Father Sunil Rosario, Regional Superior of the Commission for Migration CCBI, Conference of Catholic Bishops of India, Kolkata, and Father Kerketa Sunil, Vice Provincial of Kolkata Province, were the key speakers at the inaugural function. The delegates were welcomed in the Bengali cultural traditions. So viewers, that is all we have for today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.